Yeah, I just got approved for Thailand's DTV visa, and this whole process only took 3 days. Now let me show you how it happened. After spending the last few months back here in Chiang Mai, I finally decided it was time to apply for the Destination Thailand Visa, or DTV for short. It's designed for people like remote workers and freelancers, and even interested in cultural activities like Muay Thai. It gives you the option to stay in Thailand up to 5 years, 6 months at a time. I honestly think it's one of the best visas for digital nomads in the world today. In the official government website, you can see a category for digital nomads. This is so cool. Now, there's a few requirements that I had to prepare before applying, so spend the last days getting all the documents ready here in Chiang Mai. But I can only apply it outside of Thailand, and I just found a place where the process seems to be the fastest. So let's catch a flight. All right, I made it to Hanoi, Vietnam. So first, let's eat some pho. Yes, thank you.
Garlic.
Garlic, yes, put some garlic. So since today is Sunday, I'm waiting till tonight to upload all the documents so the embassy can check this tomorrow morning and Monday. That's why I'm eating some pho. In the meantime, I miss Vietnamese food, to be honest. And this is the hotel that I booked for a week, and now I need to take a selfie that I can send it to the embassy so they can see that I'm in Hanoi and also in this hotel. So back in Chiang Mai, I already filled up the first 3 steps. That is more about my information, my accommodation in Thailand, and all those things. And now the 4th step is the most important one, because that's where I'm gonna upload all of the files so agents can see a few things. The first one is that I need to upload a cover letter, just 1 page. I just gonna post that I'm a YouTuber, that most of my income is outside of Thailand, and then my current location. That's why I took a picture downstairs with the hotel, so they know that I'm in Vietnam, and also took a picture of the stamp. Yeah, they basically want to know that you're not in Thailand. And then the financial evidence, I just sent my last bank statement that is more than 500,000 baht, and I also sent 6 months just in case, and 1 page with the currency exchange from dollar to Thai baht, so they know it's 500,000 baht. And then my professional portfolio, so basically just screenshots of my YouTube channel and the income that it comes from AdSense, some invoices of brand deals, and all of this money is just dollars, nothing that is come from Thailand. And now I need to pay for the visa. It costs $340 as of now. So basically what I'm telling them is that I want to enjoy Thailand. I am a YouTuber that makes money outside of Thailand and don't want to make money in Thailand, and that I'm applying outside of Thailand. If I get those things right, hopefully I get approved soon. And by the way, I booked a place with a balcony, so you can see here. This is Hanoi. Hanoi is looking nice. Look at this. I'm just gonna wait for my visa and explore this place tomorrow. All right, this is the first day of waiting for my visa. Gonna check the portal, which I'm assuming not is gonna happen for the first day, you know? So just like last night, my application status is pending document check. So let's go explore Hanoi. All right, so the hotel that I booked is in the old quarter in Hanoi. So everything is walkable here. So let's get specialty coffee. This little entrance to the coffee. So interesting. So first thing first, in Hanoi, I had to try egg coffee, and they just told me in this coffee shop that is a whole story that the French came here and milk was expensive, so they used egg as a substitute for cappuccinos, and they created the egg coffee. The bartender told me first to try the top with this cracker. This is so interesting, man. Day 2 of waiting. Let's see what it says. I'm also not expecting that much. It's just the second day. Yeah, status still pending document check. Let's just explore more Hanoi. I came to see the train pass while I'm having my coffee. It's gonna be interesting. Like a typical thing to do in Hanoi. Yes, thank you. Enjoy the drink. And of course, I just got salted coffee. It's a classic here in Vietnam. They just put like salt cream on top, but it's really good. What, 15, 27? Fun. It's a fun thing to do in Hanoi. And I came in the morning, that's why there's not many people, but I wonder, like when there's a lot, man, this gotta be madness. All right, the issue of checking my visa, the status changed. And I'm so excited because I was not expecting it to be this soon. It went from pending document check to pending approval. But that means that they're checking the documents and we're ready to go. So let's explore a little bit more of the city. And by the way, today I'm trying a Vietnamese filter coffee in this place called Blackbird. It's actually nice to know that Vietnam has really good coffee. All right, I just got an email from the embassy that it says that the visa has been processed. It just doesn't say the results. So let's go back to the hotel. But I knew it. I knew today we're gonna get something. All right, let's go find out. I also got another email, and this one is titled e-visa application status. So this has to be it. Like, I guess it's time to find out the truth. Yeah, I got it. Wow. I got it approved. I got my Thai visa approved. I honestly think it's one of the best visas for digital nomads. And this whole process only took 3 days. And here's my new visa. Yes. But man, I'm just happy that I finally have it. But there's only one left thing to do. I got a coconut coffee and it has some cocoa flakes on the top. Anyway, today I'm flying back to Chiang Mai. I just need to bring the DTV, and it was recommended to have it in A6 size so I can have it next to my passport. So I'm gonna finish this coffee, go to a print shop, and then fly back home. Thank you, come on. All right, I got the visa printed. Let's go back to Chiang Mai. All right, I just crossed immigration here in Chiang Mai, and they just asked me, like, when I showed them the car, they're like, oh, DTV. They just sent me a little bit aside, and they made me sign a form that I don't know exactly what is this form. I'm gonna Google it later. But yeah, it was very quick. They were very friendly. They were telling me, oh, DTV, that's nice. You can stay longer, ha ha ha. And then yeah, they stamped it. All right, 4th of July, and I got 180 days this time. Let's go back home, take a rest, enjoy that I'm being back in Chiang Mai, and I'll let you know tomorrow a little bit of the last details. So here I am finally back in Chiang Mai with the options to stay up to 5 years. This is amazing, you know? But I do want to mention that every application is different. Mine was one of the shortest, but not necessarily yours will be the same. Sometimes they ask for an interview, additional documents, sometimes take even longer. It depends on the embassy, your application, and how you apply for it. So if you're thinking of getting the DTV, I created a whole guide where I show you all of the documents that I apply for as a content creator, but also templates for remote workers, families, and cultural exchange, so you can hopefully avoid paying a visa agent and do it yourself. And by the way, this visa opens doors to things like getting your Thai driver license, and hopefully one day we're gonna be able to open a bank account. So I'm gonna keep updating this guide as we go. So it's gonna be a whole complete resource of not only applying, but also setting your life into Thailand. So if you're interested in this guide, just scan the QR code here, or I'm gonna link the links in the description below. And good luck with your DTV application. See you in the next one. Ciao.